Hello, Islam, and good day, viewers. It's Zongshen RX3 CSC specs NC250cc engine oil cum filter change video and tutorial. Here is the main drain opening for oil change, which is being tightened after the oil drain. Situated just behind the skid plates, the engine oil capacity for NC250 CSC specs engine is 1.5 liter or 1500 ml. Screws being tightened, and the filter first of
metal filter
three
है
is being placed and tightened on the right side of the bike.
पेट्रोल से वॉश करके इसको जो है कि
It has
दोबारा
total three filters.
साफ कर दिया.
Among three, one is paper. The first filter is being placed, and now it has been tightened.
ये 8 नंबर है
with the help
मतलब में
of
17
screwdriver.
17
17 नंबर की चाबी.
That's it. This is time to place the paper filter
फिल्टर
pushed into the space, cleaning the outer part. The outer part has
इसके स्प्रिंग की
coil springs
एडजस्टमेंट
also.
सिंपल ही है या कुछ स्पेशल
सिंपल
करना
ही.
पड़ेगा.
मैं जगह
We'll
बनी
clean both
अपने आप एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. इसमें उसको
spring
पुश कर देना
and
होगा.
the outer shell.
सिंपली इसको एडजस्ट करके पुश करना.
Now adjusted at the cover. Placed on the space. It has two screws for tightening. First is up there. Second one placed and tightened. Checked it carefully. Both screws, and on the left side, now this is the third filter. So after cleaning, third filter is being placed. Push in the space, screw, tighten with the help of hands. Further tightening through screw tightener. And this is how you can do the oil and change filter in your bike. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.